I manifested it.
I manifested
I manifested this.
Manifest dreams.
I am a powerful manifestor.
I was bottled by this person who sent me a message, and she said, I wanted to start an Airbnb, ma'am, but I'm afraid. So I wanted to give you, this is a free talk, and I just wanted to explain how this works, okay? If you are in this position that you wanted to start something, but half of yourself is actually afraid, takot magsimula, that is part of your progress. That's part of the game. Anything that removes you out from your comfort zone will have unimaginable fear. And that is your system kasi hindi ka sanay sumugal sa ganitong klaseng bagay. Especially if you're working a 9 to 5. Most Filipino, they are used to working na stable, sure. But somehow, you only trick your brain kasi talaga namang walang stable. If things happen, company will shut down and they remove you out from their company. That's really the essential for any business to survive, to afloat. So, what I want to explain, and maybe other people would benefit as well. I wrote myself a blank check. And I have been talking about this on English. Now I'm talking about in Tagalog. So, nung dumating ako sa Dubai, it's my first time to be abroad. I was so heightened by all of these things, material, lifestyle. And I figured out, yung kinikita ko, nung nasa Pinas ako, nung balik ako ng Dubai, same thing. I'm having 500 dirhams sa pocket ko or sa ATM ko, and I still have to work 3 weeks. Natawag natin pecho de peligro because we already splurged. And that's part of growing. Don't get ashamed with that. Then I had a book called The Secret. I gave it to someone, I don't know if she's reading it. So that book contains a lot of knowledge on how you think and how you can manifest things in life. It's a big thing, but in other words, it's about faith. Faith on something that you don't see it yet. That's what it's. Marami lang guru na nagsalo-salo ng kung ano topic, manifestation, visioning. This is all in one aspect of faith. Believing into something that hasn't seen it yet. So, meron doon isang page na nakalagay, write yourself a blank check. I didn't know Jim Carrey had did this. So, I did that. This is the ID Islamic Bank. And this is so fun to see. Yung tipong, ang tagal ng panahon nung sinulat ko siya, and then it has a date. But I don't know if that's gonna happen on those days. And I arrived here 2023. I was 27. 27 that time. Now 39. Oh my God. Anyway, I wrote the check and I put it on a date on 2030, December 25. You can put an imaginable number. Something that you don't see na imposible kaya to, but I love to play the game of letting it go and seeing where does it lead. So it shows 1 million dirhams. You can see 1 million dirhams, and you see I had a signature on them, and nilagay ko siya sa notebook. Sabi ko, one day I will have this, and that's strong decision in my heart. I don't know if I'm gonna have a business. I don't know if it's that gonna happen. But I said, one day, this can happen. In the present state, fast forward, I have been doing a lot of business. Not only rental. Madami akong ginagawa kung ano-ano sa ibang lugar, ibang bansa. People only see the aspect of rental. But I do have different types of business. If I will calculate the overall income that I did have, that I did generate, 1 million dirhams, most probably, yes, I have already done it. Plus, I'm not working. Plus, marami akong time sa parents ko. Plus, this. But of course, pero hindi siya yung tipong, nakikita mo, 1 million dirhams dun sa account mo para ka nanalo ng loto. Hindi. Siyempre, it's accumulative. May mga months na ang laki ng income mo, may mga months na mababang income mo, it's same as the business. But, this will never happen if I didn't take risk, if hindi ako sumugal, if naniwala ako dun sa mga paligid ko, opinions of others that saying that's a headache business and you cannot make that business. So that would not come to life if hindi ako nag-step forward. Okay? So in our life, it's so important how we make those decisions. So parang chess yan, no? If what I've come to realize is you can make anything possible good for you based on the outlook that you see. Okay, you're making a decision to this business. Is it gonna give value to me? A benefit? Is it has a good income? Profitability? That's how you assess. Now, you can do that as well in a relationship. You don't invest into something that will not give you good value. You invest into someone if that person is gonna give you a good return of investment. Not unrequited love. Tipong isa lang, ikaw lang yung humahabol, ikaw lang yung nag-chase, ikaw lang yung nagmamahal. So you can apply that into business as well. That if you're gonna make a decision, not about money, but will he influence me into my life? Will he add me to the happiness that I'm wanting to get? An addition, not a sole focus into my day. That's what I have realized when it comes to making the decisions about risk. We always have one step forward, and that's gonna make us afraid. That's gonna make us stop. That's gonna make us shake. Para kang nag-skydive and you're in the edge and you're saying na, ayoko na, hindi na ako tutuloy. But that's the beauty of it, that once you jump and you are sure that you really want this, you really want this business, you really want this to work out, you really want this person, and you see that it's a good opportunity, go and do it. Just go and do it. Why? Because at the end of the day, you will never know what is the outcome of that decision that you made. But the fact that inside of you is really good when just by thinking of it, it makes you happy, it makes you excited, it makes you feel like, I wanted to start this. And then you let go. You dive and then you let go. Same as when you go skydiving. You dive and then you let go. So that's just an idea for the morning. I love to share this story because it's a real story for me. And maybe it will work for you as well. So hanap na ng cheque at sumulat. Huwag nga lang ibibigay ko kanino. Thank you so much and have a good day.